Hi, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can copy elements, blocks from within blocks in a drawing, or even XREFs in a drawing, out of those into your current drawing. There is a similar command called ncopy which you could look up, which does a similar job, although there is an issue with selecting the actual entities. You have to click every single point that you want to select, but you can look that up separately. That's not for this video. So in this drawing you can see I've got two floor plans. This is a block and this is an XREF. So this XREF is referencing this floor plan in another file somewhere else on my hard drive. So what I want to do is I want to extract just this toilet and basin from this block into my current drawing so I can use them elsewhere without having to explode the block and work it around that way. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to left click the block so it selects it all. Then I'm going to right click and do edit block in place and then OK. So now all these lines and blocks are all editable. I can do what I like with it. So I'm going to do a copy just the toilet and basin, select a base point. I'm just going to put it out into this area here for now and then enter, and that's that job done. Now if I was to discard my changes now, which I'm going to do, you can see they've gone, which is no good to anybody. So I'm going to repeat that command, edit block in place, OK. I'm going to copy out the toilet and basin again into a white space. So there. Now what you need to do is remove this from the working set. So this in the ribbon, remove from working set. And I can now select, using a crossing window, those two items, right click, and it says down here two removed from the working set. So those two items. Now I can discard my changes. I didn't want to do any changes to the actual block. OK that. And as you can see, this is still a block and these are now separate items which I can move and use in this drawing as I feel. Exactly the same with an XREF. So this is an XREF, so I'm going to do exactly the same procedure. Select the XREF, right click, edit XREF in place this time. There it is. Now I can do a copy, select that and select that, again move it out, click. Then I'm going to do the same thing, remove from a working set, select those two items, discard the changes. I don't want to change the XREF, and again now these are now in my drawing which I can use as I want. And that is how you extract blocks and items from XREFs and blocks.